The state's health minister, KK Shailaja, has been praised for her ministry's rapid response to the outbreak.
The Vogue India's Women of the Year cover girl and Kerala's Minister for Health, Social Justice and Women and Child Development, KK Shailaja. Congratulations, ma'am.
The whole country is talking about whatever work you have done. Winning situation എന്ന് ഇന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല, കാരണം there are many waves. അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം. So
Health Minister KK Shailaja, who became the face of Kerala in the fight against the Covid-19 pandemic, has come up victorious in yet another battle, and this time political. While her victory from Mattannur Assembly constituency in Kannur came as no surprise, the record victory margin of over 61,000 votes showed that the extra votes came as a recognition of her performance as a minister. The political journey of the 64-year-old former physics teacher from Kannur, who made her assembly debut 25 years ago, has been phenomenal in the last 5 years when the world took a closer look at the unassuming health minister of Kerala. The public health crisis brought the best out of her, first in tackling the Nipah virus outbreak in 2018 and the Covid-19 2 years later. Both Nipah and Covid-19 outbreak have tested the public health system in the state, and KK Shailaja has been credited rightly for her leadership. If there was one minister in the Pinarayi Vijayan government who was seen tackling the challenges head-on, it was KK Shailaja. She is credited for her foresight in preparing the state and her ability to communicate the decisions to the public. It was she who started the daily briefing when the first case of Covid-19 was reported in the country in Thrissur last year. Her matter-of-fact action plans were keenly observed and readily followed by the public in Kerala. KK Shailaja was a star campaigner in the Break the Chain campaign initiated by the government to contain the pandemic. In the initial months of the first wave of the pandemic, the success of the state in flattening the curve in less than 100 days after the first case was reported was widely lauded. Restricting the number of deaths due to the Covid-19 pandemic gained her worldwide attention. Though Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan took over the mantle in crisis management later, the Health Minister continued to represent the state in international meets on Covid-19 and received widespread acclaim for her leadership. The international media gave her fancy titles such as Coronavirus Slayer and Rockstar Health Minister, much to the discomfort of opposition parties. Her newfound stature raised expectations of her replacing Pinarayi Vijayan as the Chief Minister, but she always had a ready-made answer to quell such possibilities. Nevertheless, her victory has brought cheers among the medical community in the state of Kerala.